Hey veterans, Terrell here from VA Claims Insider. Welcome home. Today, we're diving into gastroesophageal reflux disease, commonly known as GERD, and how you can secure an 80% VA disability rating for this condition. GERD occurs when stomach acid frequently flows back into the esophagus, leading to symptoms like heartburn, chest pain, and difficulty swallowing. For veterans, factors such as stress, dietary habits, and certain medications can increase the risk of developing GERD. As of May 19th of 2024, the VA updated its rating criteria for GERD under Diagnosis Code 7206. Veterans can now receive ratings of 0, 10, 30, 50, or even 80% depending on the severity of symptoms and the impact on their daily life. To qualify for an 80% rating, you must have a documented history of recurrent or refractory esophageal strictures causing dysphagia or difficulty swallowing. Additionally, you must experience at least one of the following aspirations, undernutrition, or substantial weight loss. Treatment must involve either surgical correction or esophageal strictures or placement of a percutaneous esophageal gastrointestinal tube, commonly known as the PEG tube. So, how can you strengthen your claim to get an 80% rating? Here are some of the essential steps. 1. Gather comprehensive medical evidence. Ensure that your medical records clearly document your GERD diagnosis and the frequency and severity of the symptoms, and any treatment you've undergone or received, including surgeries or PEG tube placements. 2. Obtain a nexus letter. This is a medical opinion from a qualified healthcare provider linking their GERD to your military service. A nexus letter can significantly bolster your claim. 3. Maintain a symptom diary. Keep a detailed log of your daily symptoms, noting the impact of your daily activities, work, and social interaction. This diary can serve as compelling evidence of how your GERD affects your life. 4. Highlight the secondary conditions. GERD can lead to or exacerbate other health issues such as respiratory problems or seat disturbances. Documenting these can support your case for a higher rating. It's crucial to remember the VA evaluates the totality of your condition. Providing a thorough and accurate document is the key to securing the benefits that you deserve. If you're a veteran dealing with GERD, you don't have to navigate this process alone. If this video helped you or someone you know, then the VA Claims Insider Elite Program is the right program for you. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more VA claims tips. I'm Terrell. This is VA Claims Insider. And as always, thank you for serving with honor.